Meta Ads Manager is a powerful tool that allows businesses and advertisers to create, manage, and track their ads across all Meta's platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. With the Meta Ads Manager mobile app, you can easily manage your ads campaign on the go. In this guide, I will walk you through the step-by-step guide on how you can download and install the Meta Ads Manager on your mobile device. It's very easy, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, then you go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS or an iPhone device, go over to your App Store. Guys, I'm using an Android device in this tutorial today, so let me go over to my Play Store. Let me look for my Play Store icon. So guys, I can see it right there, so let me tap on my Play Store icon. So if you're using an iPhone, tap on your App Store, then you follow the same process. And guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on the search icon. So what we're going to be doing here now is to search out the Meta Ads Manager app. So you can do that by tapping on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it. Then let me go ahead now to type in Meta Ads Manager. METAADS, the manager. Then let me tap on the search icon. So guys, now you can see the Meta Ads Manager app right there at the top. Let me tap on it to open up the web page. So guys, now this is the Meta Ads Manager. You can see the logo right there. So guys, now for you to be able to download and install this, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see install. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it has started downloading. As you can see there, it is at 6%. So let's wait till it gets to 100%. Then after it's done downloading, it's going to start installing automatically. That's how it works. So let's just give it a few seconds. Depending on your internet connection, how strong or how weak it is, that's what is going to determine the time it's going to get downloaded fully. So let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see it has gotten to 100%. It's going to start installing in a few seconds, like I said. So guys, now you can see the Meta Ads Manager app is done installing. So what I can do now is to tap on enable. So let me tap on enable just like so. Then finally, let me tap on open. So guys, now you can see the Ads Manager app is now opening up. As you can see here, it's asking me to continue with my Facebook account. So let me tap on continue with it. You can see the next step. It says select and add account. Let me tap on the first one. You can see they say receive notification to stay updated. So let me tap on done. They are all ticked. Wow guys, can I see I've been able now to download and install this Ads Manager app into my mobile device. You can see now I can now manage my ads on various Meta Ads platforms. So guys, this is how I can download and install it. See you on the next upload. Bye bye.